Good morning, students, or good afternoon. I'm sorry I can't be here with you today. Here are the things that I expect from you. Number one, we have been reading this article, How Will Life on Earth End? You guys did asteroid impact in pairs. We did deoxygenation together. We're going to skip over gamma ray burst. And if you have not independently read End of the Sun and used your summarizing strategy sheet to pull out the important information, that is the first thing you should do today. So, again, we did asteroid impact, we did death by deoxygenation. On the back, you are choosing one of these strategies, either boxes and bullets or stop, jot, and add it up. You are using that strategy to get all the important information from this section, End of the Sun. If you have already done that, then you are ready to use this sheet in order to create a flowchart summary. Let's talk about that. In the Unit 3 folder, you will see Summarizing with Flowcharts. When you open it up, you'll see it's a Google Slides assignment. It will look like this. You're going to choose one of these sections, either asteroid impact or End of the Sun. You are going to summarize it by creating a flowchart. And I have some shapes off to the side to help you. So if you're doing asteroid impact, this is your slide. If you're doing End of the Sun, this is your slide. In order to get more of these shapes, you're just going to hit Control D. D is for duplicate. So click the shape, Control D, click the shape, Control D. You can have as many of these shapes as possible. Let's talk about these shapes. These shapes are there to help you show relationships between information. For example, here's death by deoxygenation. We did that together. It talked about the great oxidation event, and since it was defining that, I used the equal sign to show that it was a definition. Then I used the arrows to show a cause and effect relationship. The eruption of the bacteria caused the atmosphere to fill with oxygen, which caused multicellular organisms to be able to exist. The late Ordovician, remember, two things happened. So I have two equal signs. Then I have the arrows showing you cause and effect, and these two causes both have the same effect. 80% of life on Earth died. I also have this done for the gamma ray burst. First, they wanted to tell us important information about gamma rays, so I used the equal sign to show that this was a concept definition example. Then I have chains of cause and effect, 3 different chains of cause and effect using the arrows. So you are going to do that same thing for either asteroid impact or for End of the Sun. Now, if you get done with that, there's a quizzes for you to do, but this is your main goal today. Make this as good as possible, and then if you have time left over, you can always do the quizzes. All right, have a great day. Show the sub that you can lead, motivate, and soar.